So let's go straight to meteorologist Melissa Frey, who's in the Weather Center. Melissa, you've been tracking this storm all day. What's going on out there right now?
Well, we're continuing to see the rain and the high winds, and a lot of warnings still in effect through about 10 o'clock here tonight. And for the Cascades, it's really just getting started. Continue to see the high winds up there as well, but in addition to heavy snowfall. Storm Tracker 9 radar very active all day long. Again, the heaviest rain started about 2 o'clock this morning and hasn't really let up much since. There was a little bit of a low mid-morning in between surges of energy, but that's definitely continuing as we head into the overnight hours. Here's the warnings in effect. You can see it really does affect the entire state of Oregon. So let's start out at the coast. We are seeing that high wind warning in effect for all the pink areas through Saturday at 10 o'clock. Gale warning as you head out over the ocean. Again, dangerous seas there. Also a high surf warning in effect for Coos and southern Douglas County along the coast. That in effect until 1 p.m. on Sunday. As you head into the valley, high wind advisory in effect through 10 o'clock tonight for us. We'll continue to see those wind gusts up to around 45 miles per hour. And for the Cascades, we are seeing that winter storm warning. Whiteout conditions as we head into the overnight hours. We're looking at another 12 to 18 inches of snow up there. Also seeing those high wind warnings in effect for central Oregon. Temperatures tonight falling to the low 40s. Again, we'll see those showers and potential isolated thunder showers through the night. And of all the details on what you can expect for the remainder of the weekend coming up here in just a bit.
Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with meteorologist Melissa Frey.
Well, if you're like me, you may have been woken up early this morning by that pounding rain and those strong winds, which started after about 2 o'clock this morning and have really stuck with us all day, with the exception of that brief lull that we saw mid-morning. Now, here's a current look at the radar picture, and again, you can see that rain and mountain snow continuing to stream in here off from the ocean, and this continues from northern Washington all the way down into northern California, spreading over the Cascades into the central part of the state as well. And again, there is still more to come as we head into the overnight hours. Right now, the live radar picture showing some breaks in the rain over the Coast Range and out near the coast. Still seeing those showers, even a few isolated thunder showers, which we're seeing right now in the Central Valley. And then that heavy snow continues to fall across the Cascades, and that is also going to stick with us during the overnight hours. In terms of rainfall totals, it's been pretty impressive. Almost an inch for those of you in Corvallis, over half of an inch here in Eugene, and 6/10 in Roseburg. Head out to the coast, we've seen anywhere from 4/10 in Newport to 7/10 in North Bend. Astoria seeing well over an inch on the north coast, and even central Oregon seeing some heavy rainfall and now snowfall with this storm as well. In terms of winds, again, those have continued to howl through the night and through the afternoon. Mary's Peak saw the highest wind gusts here in western Oregon. That is at 4,000 feet. It's in the Coast Range, but still 85 miles per hour. That's what you would see with a Category 1 hurricane. Eugene and Corvallis both topped out at 40 miles per hour. Yaquina Bridge and Newport up to 65, and Yachats 70 miles per hour there this morning. We are also seeing that heavy snow across the Cascades. It's about to get very dicey overnight here across Cascade Passes as that sun sets. Temperatures down into the 20s. Again, heavy snow has been falling and isn't going to let up here for the next 24 hours. So as that cold front continues to push on to the east, all of this is going to start to relax a bit here overnight. We do have a little warm front, though, that is sitting here in the northern Pacific. That'll drop in tomorrow, keeping the rain and breezy conditions going. Then high pressure moves in on Monday, and we're back to the normal, dry, foggy weather that we've been used to. So again, wet and windy with those isolated thunder showers tonight. Breezy with scattered showers Sunday, continuing to see that heavy snow across the Cascade Passes. And then Monday, it all comes to an end. So for those of you along the coast, highs in the low 50s. Again, we are going to see those showers off and on, but again, the high wind warning, that ends at 10 o'clock tonight. The Umpqua Basin dropping to the low 40s tonight, back to the upper 40s tomorrow. Cloudy with those scattered showers. The Cascades continuing to see snow down to 3,000 feet. You'll see an additional 8 to 12 inches tonight, and then 5 to 7 inches again tomorrow. Central Oregon, 1 to 4 inches of snow for you. That'll gradually taper off as we warm up tomorrow. And for the valley, highs in the upper 40s will drop to the low 40s tonight. Again, continuing to see those wet and windy conditions through about 10 o'clock. Wind advisory expires at 10, but we'll still see those showers off and on Sunday. As for the next 7-day stretch, here's what you can expect. The coast, Monday 52, Tuesday you're back up to 59 degrees, taking a flashback there to early fall. The Umpqua Basin seeing morning fog, afternoon sunshine all week. The Cascades see that heavy snow tomorrow, and then it's dry and warm for the rest of the week. And for the valley, again, morning fog, afternoon sunshine starting Monday.
So maybe just for tonight, just maybe stay inside.
Just tonight, maybe tomorrow, and then you're good.
All right,
Yeah.
sounds good. Thanks, Melissa.